स्वस्थ शरीर रुद्राक्ष प्रदान करता है, स्वस्थ मन स्फटिक प्रदान करता है और भोलेनाथ की शक्ति अमोघ महामृत्युंजय कवच के साथ इस त्रिशक्ति माला में हमने समाहित की है और आध्यात्मिक साधना सिद्धि केंद्र में इसे निर्मित ही नहीं बल्कि प्राण प्रतिष्ठित भी किया जा रहा है। आप अपने और अपने परिवार के लिए इस माला को प्राप्त करने के लिए दिए गए नंबर पर संपर्क करके आप मंगवा सकते हैं।
Hello my dear friends, Namaskar. My name is Suresh Shrimali. Welcome to Astro and Numero with Shrimali, your one-stop channel for astrology and numerology. Today, I will tell you about the effect of solar eclipse and how it will put an impact on your zodiac sign. This time, ring of fire will be formed on June 10th, that is solar eclipse. In the solar eclipse of 10th June, the moon will cover the sun up to 94%, due to which only some part of the sun will be visible. Due to which only some part of the sun will be visible. Due to which it will be seen in the shape of ring of fire, or it will also be called Kankanakriti solar eclipse. Now let's see, where will the solar eclipse be visible? This is a partial solar eclipse and this will be really seen in India. It will be visible only in parts of Arunachal Pradesh and Ladakh in India. Apart from this, it will be visible in South America, Antarctica, Canada, Russia, Greenland, Southwest Africa, Pacific Ocean and Iceland region. The eclipse is of great importance from the religious and astrological point of view. It is believed that the sun and moon suffer due to eclipse, due to which its effect is negative on people. Because of this, auspicious work is prohibited on the day of eclipse. According to Indian time, on Thursday, June 10th, there will be a solar eclipse from afternoon 1:42 to 6:41 p.m. means evening time. Many astrological events will happen during the eclipse. Also, Shani Dev will remain in retrograde state. On the other hand, due to the combination of Sun and Rahu, called Grahan Dosh or some kind of Raja Yoga also. Now, my dear friends, it's time to move forward and talk about your zodiac prediction. Now let's start with the fire, that is Aries. There are chances of getting money suddenly in business. You should have patience and be aware of your rivals. The problems going on in the family will go away and respect in the society will increase. There are high chances of getting promotion in the job. Now let's move to Bull, that is Taurus. Be careful at the workplace. In business, small problems can arise. Use your energy in the right and positive direction for good results. Some problem can be faced by you, so you should be careful about career. There is a need to take great care of health. Now let's move to Twins, that is Gemini. Your investments will give you profit in the future. Now, new jobs will waiting for you in the working place. The people of this zodiac can get financial benefits. Your boss will be impressed with you. There will also be profit in land or property. Now let's move to Crab, that is Cancer. Try to keep your mind calm and business space. There are high chances of profit. Do not allow speech defects to arise because at social level you can face some problems. People of this zodiac need to be cautious about future studies. You will enjoy the company of family and friends. Be careful with your opponents because they can create problem for you. Now let's move to Lion, that is Leo. There is a situation of sudden profit from your family business or startup. Take interest in religious activities for peace of mind. Relation between you and your partner can make you little bit depressed. Keep control on your anger at workplace for better results. Now let's move to Earth, that is Virgo. If you have applied for the business loan, then the work will go ahead. The economic condition will be stronger than before. Your name will be there in politics and social level. At education point of view, results will be in your favor. Now let's move to skills, that is Libra. The decisions taken by you in the businesses will prove to be correct. This is the perfect time to invest in share market and cryptocurrency. Problems going on in the family and friends will go away. Bonding will be strong in love relationship. Student, artists and players will see success at this time. Now let's move to Scorpion, that is Scorpio. You will plan to invest for the betterment of future. Take special care of your health. Some eye or skin related problem can arise. Family life and love life will be peaceful. A student will feel less concentrated in studies. Now let's move to Archer, that is Sagittarius. There may be economic benefits in business with your smart work. Investing in some work can give profit with big margin. Good results can be obtained in terms of knowledge and education. Students will have to work harder. You will get success in career and education competition. Now let's move to Goat, that is Capricorn. This eclipse will prove to be very lucky for you in terms of job and business. If there is any problem related to money, then that matter will be cleared. Relationships with family and friends will be strong. With the improvement in health, you will get full support of the family. Now let's move to Water, that is Aquarius. Business may not be good. Try to focus on upcoming projects. Stay away from anger and arrogance at the workplace. Opponents can inflict damage. Be careful about your plans. Try to keep your mother happy and healthy. Now let's move to Fish, that is Pisces. The economic condition will be strong. The problems going on in married life and love life will be overcome. Your interest in worship will increase and you will invest money in religious works. Your social networks will be very good and you will become an icon for your friends and family. Students need to work hard as stars are not in your favor. Dear friends, let's see what to do on the day of the eclipse. To remove the inauspicious effects of the eclipse, chant the Gayatri mantra. Pregnant women should be very careful on the day. Do not leave the house. To protect your coming child from the effect of eclipse, sit in a shaded place at the time of eclipse and do worship and take blessings of elders. Now let's see what to do after the eclipse. After the eclipse, sprinkle Ganga water all your house. Donate food to the poor, especially pregnant women should donate food grains after the eclipse. Donate oil if Saturn is not favorable in your horoscope. Donate shoes and slippers that are not needed after the eclipse. So dear friends, it was my analysis for solar eclipse. We are organizing one praying Havan on the birthday of Shani and solar eclipse. You can register for this Havan by contacting +91 is the India code 98290 26625. This is mobile number. This Havan will give you success in business and job. Along with that, you will get rid of from any personal or professional problems. For any kind of astrological queries, you can visit www.grahonkakhel.com co.in. At the end, all I want to say is, don't compare yourself to others. Be like the sun and the moon and shine when it's your time. Thanks for watching this video. Take care. Namaskar. Bye bye.